I'm first going to stretch this image so the stars fill out most of the page. And then I'm going to move the picture of the water to the top. Adding a mask layer, I'm just going to get rid of the sky so we can see the picture underneath it. And then I'm going to add a pixel layer and just paint over that bright spot, just to dull it down a little bit, and I'm going to change it to soft light. Now I'm just bringing the exposure down. And adding a fill layer, I'm going to change the colour to blue. And I'm going to put that on soft light and bring the opacity down. I'm just going to paint over that bright bit again and just leave it on normal but bring the opacity down. Moving over to this picture, I'm just going to cut around the woman and then make a selection. On the selections persona, I'm going to click refine selection and just paint over the woman's hair. And then I'm going to add a mask layer and deselect. Moving that picture over, I'm then going to rasterize it, and I'm going to add a fill layer with that same blue. And I'm going to change that to soft light. And I'm just bringing the exposure down. And I'm breaking the saturation down as well on a HSL adjustment. And the luminance down as well. Then I'm just going to resize the woman. And then I'm just moving the water picture down so we've got more of the sky. And adding a pixel layer. I'm going to just go on the colour white and paint over the moon, and then I'm going to change that to screen and bring the opacity down. And I'm going to rasterize that picture of a woman again. Using a dodge brush, I'm just going to paint it over where the light would be hitting her. On the pen tool, I'm making a line from her hands to the moon, and this is just going to be the rope that she is holding onto. I'm going to put the colour on a light grey and change the width of the line as well. And then I'm just going to resize the moon again. I'm going to duplicate that moon, and on the second layer I'm going to change it to screen. I'm going to just add some more light around it and put it on colour dodge. I'm just adding this little triangle type thing on the moon and the string, so it looks like it's attached somewhere. And to make a shadow, I'm going to use the paintbrush tool, and with the colour on black, I'm just going to paint underneath the woman. And lower the opacity. And change it to soft light. I just want to brighten up some of the water, so I've added a pixel layer and I put the colour on white, and then I'm just painting over the water that sits below the moon. I'm going to change that to soft light and bring the opacity down. And then going back on that shadow I made of the woman, I'm just going to duplicate it and bring the saturation down just to intensify it a little bit. Adding a fill layer, I'm going to drag that back onto the woman, and I'm going to colour select the sky. I'm going to put that layer on soft light. To finish off the picture, I'm just going to crop it. I'm just going to add a black fill layer, and then adding a mask to that layer, I'm just going to start painting some of it away. And then I'm bringing in this picture of some stars, and I'm going to change it to screen and bring the opacity down. I'm going to position it so that it's just on the sky, not the water. And then finally, I just want to change the colours in the picture, so I've just added a curves adjustment. And I just want to make the picture a lot more blue. And I'm just going to mess around with the colours.